Hi there, this is Puya from puyayoga.com. I'm here with you today to show you a very simple exercise how to correct your desk job or sitting or office posture. We want to correct this posture, this rounded shoulder, open the chest, and finally be able to breathe deep and feel better. Grab something really simple. You can grab a band, you can grab a towel, scarf, a shawl, anything doesn't matter, even a t-shirt, and grab quite close with your hands here. If you are quite flexible, you can have your hands quite closed or a bit wider, depending on your level of flexibility. It doesn't matter. It's all about the feeling that you create in your body during the exercise. So, before we start, engage your toes straight back, shoulders are open, then just bring the arms as far as you can from your glutes. Here. Now comes my secret, the breathing part. In, out, in, out. Feel it. In, out. Let those ribs open up, those lungs, the chest, the shoulders, out as deep as you can, and out. Few more. In, out. Quite simple but so effective. See how my shoulders, my chest, the arms, everything is opening. This is the opposite of our sitting posture, the office posture. The last time. In, out, and this time when you breathe in, we want to hold. Keep your arms as high as you can. The chest is so far open, the rib cage is opening, arms are up, the face is gently turned up. And now that we relax, we want to close the eyes, and for some seconds just feel your body, this amazing sensation in your shoulders, in the chest, in your lungs. You can breathe deeper again. You can feel the oxygen, can feel your mental state improving. So simple. This is just by a very simple exercise and breathing into it. If you're interested in more exercises to correct the posture, to reverse the posture from all this sitting and office effect, you can find my Office Fit course in the description below. I see you very soon again. Take care.